This is the first morning of the hunt. The day is beautiful, the wind is blowing, the scenting conditions are great, and we have our pup Leo on the ground. Leo is our 1.5-year-old pup. We are intentionally hunting him alone so he can develop and learn to hunt in the rough grouse. Up to this point, he has not pointed a grouse. Oh, he turned hard. But that all changes up ahead. Oh. Okay, Leo.
He's not moving, bro.
See, for him, this is part of the learning process. He had pointed it, the bird had moved, and he didn't relocate. However, up ahead, he locks it down one more time, and this time, it did not get away.
I think we should turn left here on back.
So, let's go back. You take the right side, and I take the left side.
It's a woodcock. You hear?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a grouse.
My grandpa it.
Take it. You got it?
Yeah.
This is for Leo, bro.
Yeah, I know. Fetch, Leo.
Good boy.
Boy, Leo.
Good boy.
Buddy. I didn't want to lose it for him.
No, he did great.
Hard boy, Leo.
Good boy. Good boy.
Good
Atta boy.
Full fan on it. Good
Yeah.
boy, buddy.
Atta boy.
We make sure this grouse did not get away, and that he knew he did a great job. This made such a huge difference that he turned out to be our #1 grouse producing dog.
No, that's it.
Atta boy, give him some water.
It's a male too.
Here.
I have to shoot it, bro.
No, I'm happy you did.
I saw him. I was like, I'm gonna ground pound it.
We're not gonna be able to shoot it through there.
It was gonna get up, and we're not even gonna see it.
Of course, it wasn't. I mean, I think you did the right thing.
He needed it.
I think he needed it for sure.
We kept hunting hard into cover without luck, but we found
Oh, rabbit. Right in there. Ran right through there. You hear it? Did you kill it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Grouse.
He's walking down. He's hurt.
Oh yeah, he's dead.
He's not a grouse.
You hit him on the back legs. That's it. Good job, bud.
Hunt him up.
This trail is pretty good, actually.
We hunted for 2 more hours, no more grouse. Then we went, switched our dogs to Lila, and right next to the road again, a triple flush.
Whoa. I got a grouse here. Hold down. Whoa. Another bird. Oh, 3, bro.
Did you drop him?
I dropped one over here. Atta girl. Atta girl, Lila. Yeah. Heel. Hold. Out. Oh, yeah.
We ended up having some lunch and then going to a different spot, and now this spot was really good. Lila is off to the right here and goes right on point.
Lila. Come on.
Flash!
Nice! It's right here too. It's right on top of here. It's just close.
I try to lead it.
Yeah.
Go girl.
Go girl, Isla.
Go girl. Here.
Oh,
Here.
oh.
Here.
He really got out of it.
Oh, not too bad.
Nice job, bro. Nice job.
The day ended with my brother limiting out on 4 grouse, and we had 2 woodcocks. Some were not caught on camera. Leo pointed and retrieved his first grouse, and we had a ton of fun. Overall, very successful day. It's day 3 now, and we have the pup Leo on the ground once more.
Leo.
This is another amazing day.
Look at him. On command.
We're wondering if the bird from yesterday taught him anything. Here Leo's working up a bird on the left side.
Might be woodcock in here too. Point.
He quickly realizes the bird's not there, so he continues working this bird until he locks it down a couple hundred yards ahead.
Hot boy. He's birdie, bro. He was really birdie back there too.
He gets right in there, and the bird comes right out.
I feel like I heard a flush.
Got it.
Let's go!
Hell of a shot.
Love, bro! Let's go!
A grouse?
Let's go! That was a grouse!
Fetch!
What a shot! What a shot! Bro, first one.
I smacked that. I can't believe it went down.
I can't believe you shot it
far.
like that fast.
I'm good. I just don't try to get cocky before a hunt. Oh, that's a big bird too.
Here, let me get your phone. Let me take a
See, this is what they look like.
Good boy, Leo. Good boy, Piper. I mean, good girl, Piper.
Damn.
I gotta get the gun and the dog.
Right on the head.
After that awesome shot, we work a trail up the mountain and get 3 more grouse contact.
So you want to board this pines down right towards the road again?
Bird!
Did I die? No? Did it keep on flying?
I just shot through the pine.
I just shot through the pine.
We continue up ahead, and Leo looks up on another grouse.
There's a bird!
Leo definitely had this grouse, but it flushed before we got there.
He was on it, bro.
Okay, Leo. It was right in here.
Yeah. But he's got something.
This was one of the highlights for our trip. Leo tracks down a bird for 100 yards and pins it down.
There it is.
Okay, Leo.
It might be under the pines.
Point, track, point, track. This is what you want to see.
No. Come up ahead of me. Okay, Leo, fetch. Flash! Dang it!
What a beautiful work.
Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. Good job, buddy. Huh?
It started downpouring, so we head back to the truck and find another grouse in the same spot as the one before.
No, dog's down there. No. He was right down there.
On that.
Me too. I had him, but Leo was
It
there.
flew very far.
No, it's right in there still. I think Leo's still on it.
We spent about 10 minutes trying to find it, but the rain was just too much.
Kind of.
Once the rain stopped, we continued the hunt.
Tell him to fetch.
Fetch. Nice. Good job, Leo. Fetch it up.
That bird was moving. I knew it was way ahead of it. I was waiting for somebody to get in a position to shoot. Yeah, I think it's the same bird.
What?
I don't think.
Oh, good boy. Yeah. What? No, you got it. Good boy. Yeah. Where did? Good boy, buddy.
Same bird, Alberto.
What?
Nice open shot.
Did you record it?
I don't think so.
Are you kidding me?
That's a very good bird.
No, bro. It just died on me.
It's got a completely broken wing.
I just literally heard the heart going.
Wow.
Yeah?
Good bird, huh? Good boy, Leo. Look at what you got.
You know he was right on it, right?
Really?
He fetched it super fast.
Really?
He was tracing it.
Wow.
It's certainly true that the best way to train puppies is to expose them to wild birds. Although Leo still has a long way to go, he certainly showcased he's a quick learner. We are very proud of him. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. Stay tuned for part 3 of this series, where we conclude our trip to the beautiful grouse country. If you missed part 1 of this series, you can find it right here. Otherwise, see you in the next one.